Welcome to SRS ECE Academy. Uh, you know that I am teaching a digital and electronics one subject, diploma first semester. In the first video, I have shown you how to download the syllabus from the official website of Director of Technical Education, and also I have given the link to download the syllabus. In this video, I am revising Introduction to Digital Electronics. This is your Unit 1. Unit 1, Unit 1, Introduction to Digital Electronics 1. I have explained you what is digital electronics, where we use digital electronics. I have given introduction to digital electronics. Okay, there I have taught you different digital electronics, where we use digital electronics, what is digital. Okay, and importance of digital electronics. Okay, importance of digital electronics. Okay, let's go here. Digital electronics is a branch of electronics that deals with the digital signals, digital circuit, digital equipment, etc. Okay, which has only two states. Zero is called as low, one is called as high, or with zero it is called as off, one is called as on. Okay, upper level, lower level. Okay, these zeros and ones are called binary. Okay, next here, why digital electronics important? Just it's a revision. Just I will explain briefly. Importance of digital electronics: high accuracy, easy to store and process, high speed, low power consumption, easy design using ICs, integrated circuit, okay, flexibility, error detection and correction. Okay, these are, you can keep it in mind. Okay, you can keep these points in mind very easily. High accuracy, easy to store and process, then high speed, low power consumption, easy, okay, easy design using ICs, integrated circuit, flexibility, error detection, correction. Next, okay, next here, applications of digital electronics. Applications of digital electronics I have explained here. See, we use in computers and laptops. Okay, consumer electronics, communication systems. Okay, see, keep these important points in mind. We can answer right. Okay, computers and laptop, consumer electronics, communication system, industrial automation, medical electronics. Okay, medical electronics, automobiles, defense and aerospace, defense and aerospace. Okay, next here, signal. I have explained what is signal. Okay, see here, a signal is something that carries information from one place to another. Okay, and signal it can be form of voltage, current, or sound, or light that changes with time. Okay, signal, that means nothing but signal carries information. Okay, signal in the form of voltage, current, sound. Okay, here signal is which carries information. You can write in your on your own sentence. A signal is that carries information from one place to another. Okay, in the form of voltage, current, sound, or light. Okay, I have explained with example, real-time examples. Okay, what is analog signal, what is digital signal, and I have given example to analog signals also and digital signals also, and I have explained with the waveforms. Okay, and you have to understand the concept. Okay, so then you can easily keep it in mind. You can easily keep these points in mind. Okay, next let's go to here, comparison between analog and signals. Here, comparison between analog and digital signals. See, here explain, analog signal is a continuous signal, digital signal the discrete signal, takes infinite values, takes only two values, discrete values, represented by sine wave, represented by square wave, changes smoothly with the time, changes in steps I low 0 and 1, more affected by noise, less affected by noise, in the sense unwanted signal, This is less accurate output, more accurate. Perfect. Hard to store and process, here easy to store and process. Okay. Used in natural signals like sound, temperature, used in computers, digital circuits. Requires analog devices, microphone, radio, require digital devices. Example, voice, light, speed of wind, etc. Okay, we can write etc. Okay, here binary data, digital clock. Okay, this is pen drive. Okay, laptop, uh, pen drive, laptop. We can give many. Okay, just write three or four. Okay, next, next here number system. Okay, I have explained what is number system, why we have to use number system. Okay, number systems, here I have explained you number system. Here I will show you. See, quick, this is a quick revision. Okay, if you watch this video during your examination, definitely you can score very well. Okay, see, number system, type of number systems: decimal, base is 10, digit is 0 to 9. System, this is binary system, base is 2, digits used 0 and 1. Octal, octal in the sense base is 8, digits used 0 to 7. Hexadecimal base is 16, it uses 16, 0 to 9, A, F. That means here 10 is equal to A, 11 is equal to B, 12 is equal to C, 13 is equal to D, 14 is equal to E, uh, 15 is equal to F. Okay. Positional weights: decimal powers of 10, binary powers of 2, octal powers of 8, hexa powers of 16. Okay. This is next. Go to next one. Here I explained you decimal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system, octal system, and number system conversion. Here in the syllabus, binary to decimal conversion, base to base 10, hexadecimal to decimal conversion, base 16 to base 10, decimal to binary conversion, base 10 to base 2, decimal to hexadecimal conversion, base 10 to 16. Here, and binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. But in this, okay, SRS EC Academy YouTube channel, I have explained you decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, and octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal, and decimal to binary, hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to octal, and hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, I have explained you all the conversions. Okay, and I will give shortcuts. Okay, I will give shortcuts like you can keep it in mind. Like see, you make a table. Okay, you make a table so that 1 second. Just go to your Excel sheet. Here you write down here. This is system. This is number system. I will write as number system. I will give okay handwritten digital image. Okay, here take it as decimal. Here octal. You take it as hexadecimal. Okay, you have to write down. Okay, other just you have to write down. Just I will show you. Okay, number system. Here you take it as here decimal. Next this is your octal. Here write down hexadecimal. Okay, here decimal to decimal. Here put hyphen. Next decimal to octal. How do you convert? Like that you write. Here write down this point with example. Here octal decimal. Octal to octal, no conversion. Octal hexadecimal. Okay, make a table so that you can remember easily. I will post on my YouTube channel. Okay, that is the digital image or I have prepared. Okay, so that it helps to your examination. Okay, next. Okay, this covers your unit 1. Experiments they will teach you in the laboratory section. Okay, demonstrate numbering system and its conversion by using scientific calculator. They will show you. Okay, you can use your scientific calculator. Okay, and familiarize digital IC trainer kit and do the following. Okay, this will covers in your laboratory. Okay, next, precautions to be taken while handling ICs integrated chip analyzing pin diagram of IC. That means how to count the pins. From notch is there, you have to count from notch side, from the notch side. Okay, NOTCH, notch. Demonstrate the testing of an IC using an IC tester. Demonstrate use equivalent analog voltages for positive logic of logic 0, logic 1 using multimeter, voltmeter, ammeter. Okay, they will teach. Okay, here I will explain from starting to here. Okay, and let's go to here. Review questions. Explain the importance of digital electronics with applications. I have explained you. Okay, you can write. Okay, you can answer this question. Compare analog and digital signal with real world examples. Yes, I have explained you. You can write. Okay, you can answer this question. Describe the following number system with an example: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and illustrate binary decimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. I have explained you all the topics. Okay, I explained all the number system conversion on by SRS ECB Academy YouTube channel. Okay, and I will try to give the shortcuts. Okay, in one image. Okay, so you can remember easily, but you have to practice at home. Okay, you have to practice at home so that ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ definitely you will forget it. Okay, just you have to practice. Take one example. Okay, without seeing the book you have to solve on your own. Okay, uh, I have covered all the topics. Okay, thank you so much. uh, uh, mm, thanks for your time. Thank you so much. In the next video let's go